Hey y'all, it's Carmen and I am here with a project share slash VR for Crystal with I'm Busy Crafting here on YouTube. And I will be linking her channel down in the description box below, so y'all please go check her out. Unfortunately, I've ran out of the time frame. The deadline is today to have it postmarked, so I apologize for not getting to y'all earlier, but as y'all know, I've been in the middle of a move, so I've been in the craft room all week trying to get caught up so that I can get this out in the mail today and finish all my commitments. Now, I'll give you a little bit of heads up. I'm proud, but I'm not proud of what I'm sending. Here's the key, and I'm hoping, Crystal, you're watching so you will know, is this box. Now, I'm going to save that one for a little bit. I'm just going to send her a little treat, which y'all seen before in the past I've done for other friends. And she wears fingernail polish. So, because of that, I made the candy box goodie, and I put her some polish in there, and I hope she likes the color. So, just a little surprise there. And then, of course, you know, I just put in some extra goodies that I had. I wanted to share. Maybe she can use them. If not, please feel free to pass them on. And then this is one of the first things that I did. I did not make the beads. I just happened to inherit them, so I thought they'd be cute to go on there. I took my die cut, and I will share that in one of my next videos, so I can hopefully find it again. But I took one of my die cuts. Now, it did not cut through this material because it is thick material. And so I ended up, it got the print on it, so I just kind of hand cut it out. And then I had added this this rhinestone bling with the silver, I can't remember, but y'all know what it is. But anyway, it's actually a brad. My goodness. Always on the videos, my mind goes blank. But anyway, I also added some of the little flat flowers and put that on there, and it had the bling in it that I had gotten those from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. So I just thought that was cute, and maybe she'll like it. It's definitely something different. Nothing fancy, but hey, I hope she likes it. I like the sparkle. I want it just because of all the pretty colors and the bling, but hey. Okay, now this right here, I'm also going to share this, a little bit of this just for an example on the BB Crafts, because I used some BB Craft bling. Now, what I had done, and I had gotten this tutorial from Lollapalooza, I believe it was, and I can do my best to try and remember to leave her link also in the channel. But now this is totally different than what she did. It's just that it come off of that idea but she used like a manila folder. And so I just kind of used my own paper and stuff. Now, here is the cover. And I Velcroed it. And this part says, and this, thank you, Miss Gina, because I told you I had a project I was wanting to use for those cards you sent me. And the Prima cards. And so this is what I done. It says, love every bit of your quirky self. And then I Velcroed it. And then I lined it on the inside. It was double-sided, but it was plain. And so I thought if I lined it with this paper, it kind of looked good with the little spots. So I did that. And then this just falls away. See, can you see that? It just kind of falls away. Well, what I had done was actually Velcro this to the bottom. So it is removable. So she doesn't have to have that cover. But if she just wants them stored on a shelf or something like that somewhere, then she can just have it nice and neat and be put away. And then if she's using them, like let's say at Christmas, she's got a bunch of Christmas tags, she can just take this box. And if she's wrapping, 5, 6 different gifts, she's just got the box to take with her wherever she wants. Now, here's the downfall. I'm going to show you the tags that I made. The downfall is, and I pray it holds up, because I ran into some major issues with this, because when I did I had a major boo-boo, and all I could do was cut. I had to cut it all apart to be able to get it to work and fit. So it became a huge, huge pain when it should not have been. Now, with that being said, all this is glued, all 4 pieces. So normally I had it to where the sides and the bottom was all connected, and then I just was going to insert the sides. But like I said, I had a huge boo-boo, and I had to just finally just figure it out last night. Just cut it all apart and just kind of redo it. And I was running out of time, and I just wanted to get this done. So, Crystal, I apologize. This is not, really up to my standard. I know I can do better, but I hope you get some use out of it. And if you've got a way to secure it a little bit better, if you think it's going to come apart, please do so. Alter it however you want to. Or any of the stuff, if you're not happy with it, I'm okay. Send it off in Happy Mail, or include it in the giveaway, or pass it on to somebody else who might like it. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of detail. It says, "This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine," with the butterfly once again. The Prima journaling cards I used to decorate it with. And this one again with the Prima embellishments. And this says "Blessed." And then I just kind of layered and stacked it. And then I used one of the wobbles that Gina gave me. Now, I had to cut it down because it's kind of a big wobble. So it don't wobble as much. But it does still wobble. And I just think it's cute. I love it, love it, love it. And then I put these 2 on foam pads. Now, these are the tags I had made and or embellished for her. I got this one. I bought the tag I had, and so I just added the tree and the deer. And of course, I always leave the backs blank to let whoever I send them to be able to either stamp to or from, put a sticker to or from, or just handwrite, because a lot of people like to do the handwriting. So I left the backs blank. But there's a Christmas one. Here's another one I had, and I just altered it. I put the silver sparkle glue all over it and put an embellishment Christmas tree. And this one is, y'all, if you've watched several videos back when I had done my tag swap, and I was sending out to my partner, I had shared what I was going to send her. Y'all remember that I did these tags, and so I took I believe it's Cottage Cuts die, and cut out all the little pieces of the bear and all the cup, the label, the coffee, the lid, all that separately. It got cut out, and I pieced it together. I colored it and stained it around the edge and all that, and pieced it together and popped his little muzzle and his little arm up, so that he was 3D. And then I, like I said, I colored his eyes and his little nose and darkened, shaded him around. And then I'd cut this out with just a punch, stamped smile, and then popped it up on foam dots. And then, if you remember, I also made it into a gift card holder, so it will hold a gift card in the back. So that one's still my favorite. Then I made a quick Halloween one. Just popped some stickers on it. And then I thought this background paper, I thought it kind of reminded me of a mummy. So with all the stitching. So I did that. And then I popped these stickers on, and this little cat's velvet, and it says Boo. And it's got the, y'all probably hauled these because they came from Tuesday morning. And then I put some little cat and bat ribbon on there. And this is the Prima Ephemera once again. It says Adored. And then I just took the paper that I had done the card holder in as well. Because I thought that this would be a good one for just general purposes of Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, just friends, just I'm doing this just because, and all that. And then I put some little fun twine. And then this one is also popped up on dots just to give it a little extra layer. And it's on the cupcake liner. And then I had colored this in. I think I shared just this before. Stamped Hello Fall. And then put it on the fall leaves. Add some gold twine in the backs in this mint. Looks like plaid. But I just thought that would work. And then I also included just some basic tags. Let's see if I can get this out before I run out of time. That I had made so that she could embellish them herself. So I made several of those last night and this morning and got them ready, hole punched. And she can use these for tags, you know, that's what I made them for, was for the tags. But if she doesn't want to do that, then she can always cut them apart or use them, you know, for whatever she would like to use them for. And then I have some smaller ones that I also did. And I did these, and this can be used for anything else, but I just thought, like I said, it reminded me of Mummy, so I thought that'd be cute for a Halloween. And then just popped these little out, two little Christmas ones, and gave her some little tags. And then another basic one so that she, you know, a general purpose, so that she has more that she can work with. And then I made these just because I love the paper. There's a little bit of glue right there. I just love the paper, and I just figured, you know, there's some more, and like I said, I've popped the holes in them, so it's just easy as just embellishing and tying some string or ribbon, and she's good to go. So with that being said, thank y'all so much. Please check out Crystal's channel. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend and more videos to come very soon. Thank you.